everyone, welcome back to day 27 of the 90-day English speaking course. दोस्तों एक interesting question. Why do native speakers sound fluent? क्या उनको grammar ज़्यादा आती है? क्या vocabulary unlimited होती है? No. Storytelling equal real fluency skill. आज का लेसन आपकी इंग्लिश को नेचुरल फ्लो देगा.
Why storytelling is important? आप हर रोज स्टोरीज यूज करते हो. Interview, friends, office, daily life. Examples: what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Tell me about your experience.
Tell your own experience.
सब storytelling है. Basic story structure very important. Every simple story has beginning, event, result, feeling. Step 1: beginning phrases. Use these to sound fluent. Yesterday, last week, today, one day, recently. Examples: yesterday, something interesting happened.
Something interesting happened.
Last week, I had a funny experience.
Last week, I had 5 patients at...
Step 2: describing events. Use simple verbs. I went, I saw, I met, I faced, I decided. Example: yesterday, I went to the market.
Yesterday, I went to the gym.
Step 3: result, feeling, add emotion, fluency booster. It was interesting. I felt happy. It was a great experience. I learned something important. Full story example, repeat after me. Slow or natural. Yesterday, I went to a cafe. I met an old friend there. We talked for a long time. It was a wonderful experience. Notice, simple words, smooth flow, natural English. More story examples. Daily life story narration practice. Speak slowly, naturally, like storytelling, not like reading. Story version 1: simple or natural. Today was a very busy day. I woke up a little late in the morning. I quickly got ready for work. On the way, I faced heavy traffic. Somehow, I reached the office on time. The day was hectic but productive. In the evening, I felt relaxed. Overall, it was a good day. Hindi understanding for learners. आज का दिन बहुत busy था. Today was a very busy day. मैं सुबह थोड़ा लेट उठा. I woke up a little late. मैं जल्दी तैयार हुआ. I quickly got ready. Traffic मिला. I faced heavy traffic. दिन hectic था. The day was hectic. शाम को relax महसूस किया. I felt relaxed. Story version 2: more conversational. Today was quite interesting. I started my day with a cup of tea. Then I prepared for my work. The day went smoothly. I completed most of my tasks. In the evening, I spent time with my family. It was a peaceful and satisfying day. Story version 3: realistic plus relatable. Today was not an easy day. I woke up late and felt very sleepy. I rushed to my office without breakfast. The workload was heavy, but I managed everything well. By the end of the day, I felt tired but happy. Interview story fluent narration practice. Speak slowly, confidently, like real communication. Interview story version 1: professional or safe. Recently, I attended an interview. I was a little nervous in the beginning, but I stayed calm and confident. The interviewer asked me several questions. I answered them clearly. Overall, it was a great learning experience. I gained confidence from that interview. Hindi understanding. मैंने हाल ही में एक इंटरव्यू दिया. Recently, I attended an interview. शुरुआत में nervous था. I was a little nervous in the beginning. मैं calm रहा. I stayed calm. मुझे confidence मिला. I gained confidence. Interview story version 2: more detailed or impressive. Last week, I appeared for a job interview. Initially, I felt nervous. However, I maintained my confidence. The interviewer asked about my experience and skills. I responded politely and clearly. It was a valuable experience for me. It helped me improve my communication skills. Interview story version 3: highly natural or relatable. Yesterday, I had an interview. I was slightly nervous at first, but I took a deep breath and relaxed. The discussion went smoothly. I answered with confidence. By the end of the interview, I felt satisfied and motivated. Funny story fluent narration practice. Speak with expressions, relaxed tone, storytelling flow. Funny story version 1: highly relatable. Yesterday, something very funny happened. I was searching for my phone everywhere. I checked my room, my bag, and even the kitchen. After 10 minutes of panic, I realized the phone was in my hand. I couldn't stop laughing at myself. Funny story version 2, classic Indian situation. One day, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee very confidently. But when the waiter asked something in English, I didn't understand anything. So I just smiled and said, yes. Yes, exactly. Later, I received something completely different. Very natural or real life humor. Funny story version 3, office version. Last week, I sent an important email. I was very confident about it. After sending, I checked it again. And I noticed a big mistake. Instead of, dear sir, I wrote, dead sir. That was a truly embarrassing moment. Fluency practice method, very important. Now your turn. Speak using this formula. Today was. I woke up. I went to. I faced. I felt. Example, today was a good day. I woke up early. I went to my office. I learned English. I felt confident. Common storytelling mistakes. Long complicated sentences. Grammar overthinking. No structure. Speaking like textbook. Correct tarika. Short sentences. Clear sequence. Add feeling. Fluency secret. Fluent speakers speak in small connected sentences, not big grammar heavy sentences. Power confidence technique. Daily bolo. I can tell stories in English. I can speak smoothly. Fluency comes with flow. Day 27 summary. Today you learned storytelling structure, beginning phrases, event description, feelings or results, real fluency technique. Tomorrow day 28 describing situations or experiences like a fluent speaker. Next level speaking. If this lesson helped you, like, share, subscribe, comment karo. I can tell stories in English. See you tomorrow. Day 28.